The inlet cap gasket seals the inlet cap to the handle housing. After years of use, the gasket can fail, causing air to leak between the inlet cap and the gun housing. The gasket can be torn if the inlet cap is removed for another repair. Replacing the inlet cap gasket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the inlet cap. It's secured with 3 screws. There's also 1 screw that secures the magazine to the bracket on the inlet. I'll remove it. Now I'll remove the gasket from the cap. Now I can install the new inlet gasket. I'll align it with the cover and then with the gun. And I'll secure it with the screws. And I need to remember to reinstall the hook on one side of the cap. And I'll reinstall the screw that secures the magazine to the cap. And that's all it takes to install a new inlet cap gasket on your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.